In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Klaviyo for SMS marketing, specifically geared towards beginners in 2025. Starting out, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to www.klaviyo.com. Once you're there, you'll notice a button labeled Sign Up. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the registration page where you'll start entering your details. You'll first need to enter your email address. This is a critical step because Klaviyo will use this email to send you important information and updates regarding your account. Remember to use an email account that you check regularly. Next, you'll need to create a password. Make sure your password is strong and secure, consisting of a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to increase your account's security. After setting your password, you need to enter your company name. This helps Klaviyo associate an identity with your account, which can be particularly helpful for future customer interactions and analyses. Now, you'll input your company website. Providing this information allows Klaviyo to gather insights about your business and better tailor their services to suit your needs. Following the website entry, you'll input your phone number. It's a good idea to provide a phone number that's tied to your business for verification purposes and to facilitate smoother communication. Next, you'll encounter a question about how you plan to use Klaviyo. This is where you get to set the tone for your marketing strategy, so answer honestly about your intended use to ensure the platform can offer the most relevant tools and suggestions. After you've completed these entries, you're ready to create your account by clicking on the Create Account button. You'll be prompted with a series of questions to gather more specifics about your business. It's important to address each point accurately, as it will help Klaviyo tailor its offerings to your needs. Once you've navigated through the initial questions, you'll encounter a prompt to select your primary business platform. For our tutorial, let's go ahead and select Shopify. Following this selection, you'll click on Continue, which will lead you to enter your My Shopify URL. To locate this, log into your Shopify account, and at the top, select My Store, then All Stores, from which you can copy the URL of the store you wish to integrate. Paste this into Klaviyo and click Continue again. You'll be redirected back into your Shopify account where you'll see the option to install Klaviyo, email marketing, and SMS. Clicking on Install will begin syncing your data between Klaviyo and Shopify. Continue responding to any further queries concerning your business address, sender information, and communication preferences for reaching your subscribers. The final step is to activate your account. To do this, you need to click the link sent to your registered email, which will confirm and activate your Klaviyo account. And that's it. You're now set up with Klaviyo and ready to start your SMS marketing journey. Keep exploring the platform to make the most of its features. Thanks for tuning in, and happy marketing.